Hi you guys, welcome back to my garden. I'm getting ready to plant up my front door containers. So I'll be changing out my garden flag, and then I'll also be putting down a new entry row for the spring, right? Let's get to it. Totally like the way that everything is changed out. I'm very excited. It looks kind of odd, and I see my obelisk up here when I walk up, but I'll get used to it. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll be showing you pictures later. Alright you guys, look at this. So I planted this up about 4 weeks ago, and just giving you guys a quick update.